helpful when preparing for NCLEX and what I saw my classmates also do when they were preparing for their NCLEX. My first biggest tip is start preparing before you graduate. To a lot of people this sounds like common sense, but I have gotten emails about preparing for NCLEX after one graduates and how they should be preparing after they've graduated nursing school. Well, the matter of fact is that you should already be preparing for your NCLEX in nursing school, and by doing that, you need to start doing practice questions when you're in nursing school. Every week, I probably would do like maybe 30 practice questions along with studying in nursing school, and yes, it can be a lot. I know it can, but you also want to be able to get a job right away after nursing school so then you can start getting paid as a nurse. Thirdly, when preparing for NCLEX and how to prepare for it is don't judge your studying habits based off of your peers' studying habits. I had peers who were doing like 200 questions a week, and I'm like, okay, I can't do that. Like, that was not even remotely going to happen for me. With working and then studying and how I study and how slow I study and my comprehension, I'm like, I'm just gonna be reading, looking at answers and not actually understanding what the question is asking and not understanding the rationale behind it. So stop judging yourself off of other people of how much they're studying, how much you're studying, thinking maybe I have to study that much because they're studying that much and I'm only studying this much. So stop comparing in that aspect. And thirdly, my last tip to you is that you're doing your practice questions. Your second one was stop comparing. And thirdly, take advantage of what your school has to offer. At my school, we had ATI testing. And with ATI, you could get a green light, it's called. And once you get a green light on your NCLEX like practice test, that means, hey, good, you're ready to go to take your NCLEX. And that was a huge factor of us studying in my class, was getting that green light, and it literally is called the green light on ATI. But I've heard of other places like UWorld, I believe it is, also has something like that. So use those to your advantage. It's free, probably. It's with your tuition, most likely. So use that stuff. You don't need to go buy all this other stuff. You don't need to get a tutor for your NCLEX. As long as you're using what your school is giving you to your advantage, you probably will pass your NCLEX. So guys, make sure you are studying in nursing school. Do not wait until after nursing school to start studying, because if there is something that you don't understand, you don't really have a teacher to go to anymore to ask that question about a practice question that you have been stuck on. So make sure you start studying at least the last semester of nursing school, if not maybe 2 to 3 months before you graduate. And guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you found this somewhat helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, check out my Instagram because I have NCLEX questions coming every Monday and Friday. Mondays are just normal NCLEX styled, and then Fridays are pharmacology. So that is a big part of NCLEX too, so don't forget to study your pharmacology. But go check out my Instagram. You can see previous questions that I've had up and the rationales behind them. Good luck studying, guys, and I will see you in Saturday's vlog style video. Have a very, very wonderful week.